Hello everyone, I am Mangesh Kulkarni from Candid Advisors. Today we are going to discuss a short-term trading setup that is visible on the charts of Dr. Reddy's. So Dr. Reddy's is a pharma company and the current market price is 5272. Before proceeding, it is my duty to express my gratitude towards these people from whom I have learnt a lot by watching them on television and YouTube. So Mr. Ramdev Agarwal, then Mr. Prakash Gaba, then Mr. Anuj Singhal. So please do follow our YouTube channel also so that you don't miss any important update. Now let's quickly go to the charts of Dr. Reddy's. So this is a weekly chart. Now on this weekly chart, as you can see, this is a very high probability pattern which is called as cup and handle. So this is a cup and this is a handle in the making. So it has not given a breakout, but we are anticipating a breakout, and if the breakout happens, the rally will also be very big. Now let's come to the daily chart. Yeah, so on daily chart, this is a strong resistance. So 5513 approximately during September 2020, the stock came down from this level. Then again, say second time approximately January 2021. So we can call it a double top. And is this a third top? So looking at the chart, this is not going to be a third top because again this was the level 5300. Stock went at that level and it did not come down. So it is consolidating near the resistance zone, and consolidation near the resistance zone means it is going to break out. So it is very simple. So this is a very high probability pattern that is visible on the charts of Dr. Reddy's. And if before breakout, if we buy, our risk reward ratio will also be favorable. So what is my strategy in this stock? I will buy a few shares at current market price 5276. Then I will add more at 4950 in the range of 4950. So that is the area between 50 and 100-day moving average. And the target can be, if 500 and 5500 was the resistance zone, so approximately 60 to 100 will be my target. So current market price is 5276, so upside of 20%. So it is a decent risk reward ratio, and I think the probability of this trade working out is also very high. So this was the chart pattern that was visible on Dr. Reddy's. I hope this trade gives a decent profit. Now we also have stock market courses. This is our website. We have fundamental, technical and advanced course. So if you are interested, you can get back to me, and keep following our channel, keep liking, keep sharing it with your friends. So have a nice day. Happy investing, happy trading.